Apple's latest flagship smartphones, the iPhone 16 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro Max, represent the epitome of technological advancements, showcasing cutting-edge features and significant upgrade. This comprehensive comparison aims to dissect the key differences and similarities between these two behemoths, empowering you to make a well-informed decision. By examining the display, processor, storage, battery life, cameras, and other critical aspects, we'll uncover the unique strengths and weaknesses of each device. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or simply seeking a premium smartphone experience, this in-depth analysis will guide you in choosing the perfect companion for your digital journey. Join us as we explore the intricacies of the iPhone 16 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro Max and discover which flagship device reigns supreme. Display, bigger and better. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a stunning 6.9-inch OLED XDR display, surpassing the 6.7-inch screen of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This increase in size, combined with thinner bezels, creates a more immersive viewing experience. Despite the size difference, both devices share the same exceptional screen resolution, 2868 by 1320, and pixel density, 460 pixels per inch, ensuring crisp and vibrant visuals. Furthermore, both smartphones support ProMotion technology, delivering a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate for seamless scrolling and fluid motion. Additionally, they both shine bright with a peak brightness of 1000 nits, making them perfect for outdoor use or viewing in well-lit environment. The iPhone 16 Pro Max's larger display and identical resolution create a slightly lower pixel density, but the difference is barely noticeable to the naked eye. Processor and CPU, a significant boost. At the heart of the iPhone 16 Pro Max lies the revolutionary A18 Bionic chip, engineered to deliver unparalleled performance and efficiency. This powerhouse chip boasts a 15% increase in processing speed and a 20% improvement in power efficiency compared to the A17 Bionic chip in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Both devices share an identical architecture, featuring a 6-core CPU, 6-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine, ensuring seamless multitasking and graphics rendering. Additionally, 8 GB of RAM provides a generous memory allocation for demanding applications and tasks. The A18 Bionic chip's enhanced performance and efficiency enable faster app launching, smoother gameplay, and accelerated machine learning capabilities, making the iPhone 16 Pro Max a behemoth of productivity and entertainment. This significant upgrade cements the iPhone 16 Pro Max as a top-tier performer in the smartphone arena. Storage and operating system, similarities and differences. Both start at 256 GB of storage, going up to 1 TB, although the iPhone 16 Pro Max lacks a 2 TB storage option. Both run iOS 18. The iPhone 16 Pro Max may receive an extra year of software update. Battery life, a noticeable improvement. The iPhone 16 Pro Max revolutionizes battery life with a robust 4,676 mAh cell, empowering users to enjoy up to 33 hours of uninterrupted video playback on a single charge. Complementing this impressive endurance is rapid recharging via 30-watt wired and 25-watt MagSafe wireless charging. While the iPhone 16 Pro Max is marginally heavier at 226 grams, it maintains a sleek profile. Both devices share IP68 water resistance, ensuring protection against accidental splashes. A single USB-C port and dual stereo speakers, enhanced by AI-driven audio optimization on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, further solidify their premium status. This harmonious blend of extended battery life, swift charging, and refined design make the iPhone 16 Pro Max an exemplary choice for those seeking a smartphone effortlessly keeps pace with their dynamic lifestyle. Both iPhone 16 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro Max boast a formidable triple-camera setup, comprising a 48-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 12-megapixel telephoto camera. However, the iPhone 16 Pro Max takes camera capabilities to new heights with a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera and the ability to record stunning cinematic 4K video at 120 FPS. Both devices share the same starting price, with the iPhone 16 Pro Max introducing new color options, including the striking Desert Titanium. The iPhone 16 Pro Max presents substantial upgrades, including a faster processor, enhanced battery life, a larger display, and an improved camera system. Whether to upgrade depends on individual needs and priorities. Camera capabilities, processing speed, and display size are paramount. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is the clear choice. However, if budget and familiarity with the iPhone 15 Pro Max are key considerations, the decision may lean towards the latter.